Understanding Adaptive Algorithms, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's widely talked about in the world of technology: adaptive algorithms. If you've ever wondered how your favorite apps seem to know exactly what you like, you're about to find out. Let's unravel the mystery together, making it as simple and clear as possible. Stay tuned. Adaptive algorithms are smart, flexible methods used by computer programs to learn and evolve as they are exposed to new data. Unlike traditional algorithms, which follow a fixed set of rules, adaptive algorithms change their strategy based on the information they receive. This ability to adapt makes them incredibly powerful in personalizing experiences and solving complex problems. Imagine you're learning to ride a bike. At first, you might wobble and fall, but as you practice, you learn from your mistakes, adjust your balance, and eventually ride smoothly. Adaptive algorithms work in a similar way. They start with a basic strategy, then try, learn, and adjust their approach as they encounter new data. This cycle of learning from mistakes and successes allows them to improve over time. You encounter adaptive algorithms daily, often without even realizing it. Here are a few examples. Social media feeds. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram use adaptive algorithms to learn what kind of content you prefer, showing you more of what you like. Online shopping recommendations. Sites like Amazon analyze your browsing and purchase history to recommend products you might be interested in. Search engines. Google uses them to provide more relevant search results based on your search history and behavior. Adaptive algorithms are crucial because they make technology more user-friendly and efficient. By learning from data, they can automate decisions, personalize experiences, and solve problems that would be too complex or time-consuming for humans to tackle manually. They're at the heart of many innovations in fields like medicine, finance, and entertainment, making our lives easier and more connected. We hope this video has shed some light on the intriguing world of adaptive algorithms. These smart tools are reshaping how we interact with technology, making it more responsive, personal, and efficient. Whether you're scrolling through social media, shopping online, or just browsing the web, remember that adaptive algorithms are working behind the scenes, making your digital experience better. Thank you for watching. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.